Occasional wind gusts, 35 to 45 miles per hour, are expected today. Winds will mainly be out of the south early this morning before switching to the west during the late morning and early afternoon. So secure loose objects and use caution if you driving a high-profile vehicle. So stick around and I'll go over just what you can expect. Good morning, everyone, across Indiana and Ohio, and welcome back to Jim Scott's Weather Desk. As we get into today, we're dealing with an active weather setup across the region. We've got rain early, gusty winds through the day, and temperatures that will actually fall as we head towards this afternoon. It's not a washout all day, but conditions will be changing, especially with strong wind gusts that could make travel a bit tricky at times, particularly for high-profile vehicles. I'll walk you through the timing of the rain, when the wind peaks, and what to expect as cooler air moves into the day and into the weekend. For your Friday, we're starting the day on a wet and windy note with a temperature of 58 degrees here at 5 a.m. during this recording. Showers will be mostly widespread early this morning, mainly before about 9 a.m., with rain tapering off as we head into late morning and early afternoon. Rainfall amounts look light overall, generally less than 1/10 of an inch, but it will be enough to keep roads damp for the morning commute. Temperatures will actually fall through the day, starting milder early and dropping to around 47 degrees by late afternoon. Winds will be a big factor today. Expect southwest winds at 10 to 16 miles per hour early, shifting out of the northwest during the afternoon with wind gusts as high as 37 miles per hour. It's going to feel a blustery at times, especially once the colder air moves in behind the rain. Rain chances today set at 80%, mainly focused in the morning hours. Friday night turns quieter, but stays cloudy. Skies remain mostly cloudy and temperatures fall to around 38 degrees. Winds ease up significantly, becoming light and variable, which should help conditions settle down after the windy day. Saturday brings another round of unsettled weather. Rain becomes likely again, mainly between 10 a.m. and 1 p.m. before tapering off later in the day. Rainfall totals could range between 1/10 and 1/4 of an inch. Skies stay mostly cloudy, with highs reach around 46 degrees. Winds start light and variable early, then turn west at 6 to 11 miles per hour by late morning, with wind gusts up to 21 miles per hour. Rain chances for Saturday are around 60%. Saturday night, when cold air really settles in, there's a slight chance of snow after 1 a.m. as the temperature drops to around 22 degrees. No accumulation expected at this time, but it's something we'll continue to watch. Winds turn west at 9 to 11 miles per hour, with wind gusts up to 24 miles per hour, making it feel even colder overnight. Sunday stays cold and mostly cloudy. High temperatures only reach around 30 degrees, keeping things firmly in winter mode. No precipitation is expected during the day, but it will feel chilly. Sunday night turns quieter and colder. Skies become partly cloudy and lows dip to around 22 degrees. Looking ahead for Monday, we finally catch a bit of a break. Expect mostly sunny skies with highs climbing to around 39 degrees. Still cool, but an improvement compared to the weekend. Monday night stays partly cloudy with a low around 29 degrees. And that's a look at your weather forecast. As we head through the weekend, expect a mix of rain, gusty winds, and a noticeable cool down with colder air settling in by Saturday night and sticking around into Sunday. We'll also keep an eye on the slight snow chance late Saturday night as temperature drops. I'll continue tracking these changes closely and bring you the latest updates as the forecast changes. As always, thank you for spending part of your day with me here at Jim Scott's Weather Desk. If this forecast helped you out, please like the video, share it with a friend, and leave a comment. I always enjoy hearing from you. And if you haven't already, be sure to follow and join the page so you don't miss any upcoming updates. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you next time with your next weather update. I'm Jim Scott at the Weather Desk.